2 ways to cook a perfect ribeye: pan-basted or fire-grilled. Let's break down both. You decide the winner. 2-inch thick, prime grade ribeye. Serious marbling, serious flavor. Pat the steak dry. Remove surface moisture. Dry surface, better crust. Better crust, better flavor. Keep the seasoning simple. Generously season. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder. Both sides. Don't forget the edges. Beef tallow, medium-high heat. Ribeye in. 2 minutes. Flip. Look at that color. Garlic, butter, rosemary, all in at once with beef tallow. Ultimate flavor combo. Once butter is foaming hot, start basting. Spoon the flavor over the steak. Do you smell that? Smells amazing. 2 minutes later, flip again. Baste again. 4 flips total, 2 minutes each. Don't forget the edges. Insert the probe. Target 130 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we watch the numbers until we reach the target. Rest 10 minutes. Perfect medium rare. Very tender, very juicy, packed with flavor. More videos coming very soon. Let me know which cut you want next. My new secret weapon, Dracaries. 3 inches of pure ribeye. Let's free this beast and get straight to work. Just look at that marbling. Moisture kills your crust. Pat it down until it's bone dry. The perfect canvas. Just salt, nothing else. It's a massive cut. So be generous with the edges. Garlic, rosemary, and liquid gold. Probe goes in. Target 125 degrees Fahrenheit. We take it to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we bring the fire. Smoking this beast tomorrow. Subscribe now. Here is a secret most chefs won't tell you. Baste it before it hits the heat. It guarantees an unbelievable crust. Hitting the grates at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. 4 flips total for an even cook. Flip, baste, repeat. Locked in at exactly 125 degrees Fahrenheit. The crucial rest, 15 minutes. Now, unleash the dragon. 20 seconds of aggressive heat. Unbelievable crust. 0 gray band. Look at that fat render. Behold, the reveal. Maximum flavor. Absolute perfection. This is how you respect a ribeye.